It all starts around the noon hour. That's when the light flurries begin to get a little bit stronger. We'll see winds picking up as well. But the bulk of the snowfall is set to begin around 2 p.m. That's the heaviest snowfall, the strongest winds gusting around anywhere from 45 to 60 kilometers an hour, depending on where you are in southern Ontario. We're about going to see anywhere from 15 to 20 centimeters of snowfall as well. So very dangerous commute home. Make sure you're being cautious on the road, taking extra time.
Alright guys, Kobe versus Kobe. We're out here in the first snowstorm of the year. And here he is trying his new snowboard. Try to wiggle, yeah, get some momentum. There he is, there's the boy. Yes, how do you feel, buddy?
Good.
Talk to
My
the
arm.
people. Talk to the chat.
My arm.
The first snowstorm of the year. Here comes Savannah, trying her new snowboard. Guys, like and subscribe. We're out here in this weather, giving you this content. giving you this content. So, first snow of the year. There's no lanes, right? So we literally have to create a lane. And as you can see, we got a lot of people out here because it's literally the first snowfall of the year. And we are, oh, here comes Savannah. She's going. Oh, nice. Nice and smooth. There she goes. Did the whole hill. Kobe's next. And it is a major storm. 15 to 20 centimeters of snow. Snow all in your face. There you go, Kobe. Bend those knees. There you go.
Nope.
With the crash landing. How you feel, Savannah?
Good.
Good job. Almost, yeah. And it is pouring down, as we can see, but that's what we like. Snow, snow, snow. As you can see, got lots of people out here. Kids messing around. Yeah? Oh, sidewinder. Yeah, Kobe, try to make it all the way. Yeah, you're going. Try to make it all the way, yeah? Good job. You're almost there.
I almost made it.
Almost.
You have to control it.
Say Kobe versus Kobe.
Kobe versus Kobe.
All right, guys, winter in Canada. This is Canada, Ontario. And you can't really see much because everything's just snowed out. This is what we call the big hill. If you go back to our videos, you will see the big hill in the summer. Oh, he went through the puddle. Oh, he made it all the way without falling. Good job. Oh, that's the old one. Okay, these are the old ones before they got their new ones. Before they became official, they were on these ones. Oh, nice. These ones work still. Same wipeout. Tell Mom to give you a push.
Oh, look, it's on snowboard.
Oh, it flew with the wind.
You ready?
All right, try to go.
Can someone push me?
Come on, give her a push. The water's messing with the camera. Yeah? Yeah, it needs a lane. All right, stick to the snowboards. Okay, guys, a nice quick video. Just want hold the string. Yeah. Nice.
One more time.
Yeah, one more time. Kobe with the snowboard. Say Kawabunga. There goes Kobe. This guy's building a ramp down there. Savannah with the GT racer. Oh, nice. Okay. Good job. Okay, guys. I can't really see. Alright, guys. Nice short video. Just showing you everything. This is a winter storm 2020.